Today I am planning to explain connectors. Here are some of them are there here. First one, even though. We usually use these words most of the time during conversation. First one, even though. I won't go to the party even though I was invited. Even though I won't go to the party, I won't go to the party even though I was invited. This means if someone invited you due to some reasons, you will not visit. So that time you tell about this thing that even I also invited. I was also invited to that party, but still I didn't go. I won't go. I will not go. That is what it means. While she was walking, I was running. While she was walking, I was running. When this lady was walking, that time, this person is running actually. This person was running. This was in past continuous tense. This girl was walking that time. That person, maybe I don't know whether this person is boy or male or female, but this second action, what it was doing, it was running. That person was running when that lady was walking. That time this person was running. When he had climbed many mountains, when he was a boy, when he had climbed many mountains, that time that person was, when he was boy, that time he climbed many mountains. Past perfect, it happened. Both actions happened in the past time, past moment. So when he was a boy, that time he had climbed many mountains. So that you are very late, so that we cannot start the lesson. So that you are very late, so that person came late, so we can't start the lesson. Not possible to begin, explain the lesson. It means like that. Once I start, I must continue. Once I start, I must continue. If I start something, then we should complete. Otherwise, half of the information not good. That is what. Once I start, I must continue. Even if Alex earned a big salary, he would not buy a fast car. He would not buy a fast car. This person, even though this person earned money, big salary, he is getting a good salary, but he will not buy a fast car. He is getting money but not able to buy car. Next one, provided. They can listen to music provided they disturb nobody. They can listen to music provided they disturb nobody. Like some when they listen to music, what music that being given, when they listen, nobody can get disturbed. They can listen to music provided what they given to listen, so other people won't get disturbed when these people are listening to that music, given music. Because we cannot go on a holiday because we don't have enough money. These people not having enough money, due to that not possible to go for vacation like holiday, during holiday. Not possible for them to go. We can't go on holiday because we do not have enough money. Not having enough money, they can't go on holiday. Rather than a company is stronger if it is bound by love rather than by fear. This one is quote. Like when they are like when the company person like they well-being with workers who works under that person, and he give importance, he gives same importance and dignity and take care of those people, and at the same time those people also take care of customers. That is how their company become stronger. When they bond with the love, that is how they grow. That is what it means. This is quote by that person name was Herb Keller. Yeah. Next one. Next one, after. Mary arrived after Alex left. Mary arrived after Alex left. When Alex went from this place, that time Mary visited, reached same place. When this person went, at that time Mary also came here. Mary arrived after when this person left from that place. At the same time, when he's gone, that time Mary visited, arrived. Unless you don't need to go unless you want to. You don't need to go unless you want to. If you want to buy, if there is necessary for you to buy things, or if you need to go, then you go. Otherwise, you don't need to go. That is what it means. Unless if there is any work for you to do, then you will go. Otherwise, you don't have to go. That is what it means. Unless you don't need to go unless you want to. Since I see you, I am better. Since I see you, I am better. After seeing that person, this person feeling better. When seeing this person feeling better. Since I see you, I am better. Whether, I don't know whether she will be admitted to the university. I don't know whether she will be admitted to the university. This person don't know about that girl is going to get admission to the university for studying degree and all. So this person doesn't know about. I don't know whether she is joined or not. Whether means like or. I don't know whether she will be admitted or not. Whereas I use water when making pasta, whereas my mom uses eggs. This person mom uses eggs while making pasta, and this person use water. I use water when making pasta, whereas my mom uses eggs. During that time, this person mom uses eggs, but this person use water, whereas replacing of water. or mom using eggs. Before I have breakfast, I always have a shower. Before I have breakfast, I always have a shower. After having bath, then he takes his breakfast. Usually everybody, some people they have before taking bath, that is their habit, routine. Like habit, some people they like to have after having shower, some people they will have before taking bath. That is up to them. So here, this person first first he takes bath, then he then he eats. Wherever they can go, wherever they can go, wherever they want, wherever they can go, wherever they want, which is up to them. Wherever, if they want to go somewhere, they can go. No restriction. That is what it means. Wherever they can go, wherever they can go, wherever they want. If they want to like to go somewhere, they can go. It is possible for them to go wherever they like to go, wish to go. No problem, no restriction, nothing. When he had climbed many mountains when he was a boy. I already explained this one. I think he had climbed many mountains when he was a boy. I already explained. When he was a boy, that time, during that time, he climbed many mountains. So that you are very late, so that we cannot start the lesson. This is also complete. Once I start, I must continue. Yeah. Yeah, I hope you understand this. Connectors, we call them as connectors. Like even though, whenever, so that, it connecting between sentence to sentence. It's linking one phrase to another sentence, one sentence to another sentence. Yeah, I hope you understand this all. Yeah, thank you.